to break me down, left me crawling on the ground. But something in my bones won't quit. Purple fire inside won't split. Every fall's just practice for the rise. Every tear's baptism in disguise. When the rain comes, baby, I just let it wash me clean. When the rain comes, maybe it's when you learn what strength really means. Really means. When the rain comes, you can't kill what refuses to die. Can't cage a spirit that was born to fly. They want you broken, want you on your knees. But suffering's just fuel for the flame in me. Every scar's a story I survived. Every night's the reason I'm alive. When the rain comes, baby, I just let it wash me clean. When the rain comes, baby, it's when you learn what strength really means. Really means when the rain comes. Dance in the downpour, love through the pain. Nothing stays forever, not even the rain. Not even the rain. I've been to the bottom, kissed the dirt below. Found God in the gutter, that's how you grow. That's how you grow, that's how you know. When the rain comes, baby, I just let it wash me clean. When the rain comes, baby, that's when you learn what strength really means. The rain comes, let it pour. Let it pour on me. Let it pour. That's when I'm finally free.